Camping is a great opportunity to connect with nature, but we still have to eat, and a great meal requires great cookware. So what is the best camping skillet? What's up guys? In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 7 best camping skillets in 2024 in the market. Which are the best for you? Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. MSMK 12 1/2 Non-Stick Skillet. MSMK 12 1/2 Non-Stick Skillet has a triple non-stick coating and 2 layers of wear-resistant coating that make it a good option when you are in the market for a frying pan. It has a handle that stays cold, so you can cook with ease and flip the food if you have to. It also offers uniform heat transfer. It has a handle with a good grip that never gets heated up. It is easy to clean. It's got low weight. It is a long-term buy. You'll get many years of use. Number 2. Yeifeo Cast Iron Skillet. Yeifeo Cast Iron Skillet is made of durable heavy-duty die-cast aluminum, and it is coated with granite. Non-stick coating is applied, so you can rest assured your meal would turn out the way you want it. The skillet is easy to use seeing as it also has an ergonomically designed heat-resistant handle. As I explained in the intro, cast iron is the best option. Its handle is heat-resistant. It is easy to clean. It is solid and heavy. Number 3. Analon Nouvelle Copper Hard Skillet. Analon Nouvelle Skillet is made with hard anodized aluminum and an induction plate with a copper mid-layer, which makes for fast, even heating. It is non-stick and dishwasher safe. It is easy to clean, dishwasher safe. It is beautiful to look at. It is highly durable. It is solid and heavy. Its flush rivulets offer a smooth cooking surface. Its copper mid-layer offers even heating. Its handle stays relatively cool on medium heat. Number 4. Circulon Symmetry Hard Anodized Frying Pan. Circulon Symmetry Hard Anodized Cook Set is an Amazon's Choice product. It has superior non-stick technology and rubberized handles that are comfortable to grasp. It is oven safe and dishwasher safe. It is easy to clean, dishwasher safe. It is lovely. It is highly durable. It works with induction and gas range. It's got a cavity can be hung. Number 5. Cuisinol Cast Iron Skillet. Cuisinol Cast Iron Skillet is crafted to be sturdy and durable. It offers even heat distribution and comes with 2 heat-resistant silicone handles. It's a great option. It comes in several sizes. You can take the small or fewer pieces or the larger set. If you'll be cooking for a large group, it comes pre-seasoned. It is heavy and well-made. It's got silicone handle covers. Number 6. NutriChef 13-Piece Nonstick Cookware. NutriChef 13-Piece Nonstick Cookware is an Amazon's Choice set that includes 2 skillets and other heat-resistant and scratch-free utensils, which can serve as great camping pots. Excellent non-stick. Cook food evenly. Handles don't get hot. No sign of discoloration or dullness. Scratch-free. It comes in a set. Number 7. Lodge 3-Quart Cast Iron Deep Skillet. Lodge 3-Quart Cast Iron Deep Skillet is pre-seasoned to prevent food from sticking and comes with a lid that allows condensing liquid to moisten your food. A virtually indestructible cast iron skillet that lasts for decades. And it's offered at a great price to boot. It heats up evenly and retains heat well. It is highly durable. It can be used for baking bread. It is relatively inexpensive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.